Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome looking pulled pork belly sandwich. So stay tuned. It's time to grill. So there are not many ingredients needed for today. First of all, take a pork belly. Then take your favorite barbecue rub. So this is the house rub from one of my friends, Barriga from Barbecue aus Altperlach, which is another German barbecue channel. I like him a lot. We have met together last week. In the upcoming future you will see some more videos on my Facebook page with him grilling together. So if you are interested in original Bavarian barbecue recipes, you should check out his channel and like him. I will put a link into the video description and at the end card of this video so you can check out his channel as well. So once you're ready and rubbed the complete pork belly, we're gonna take it and throw this on our brand new pellet grill, the GMG Daniel Bone pellet smoker or pellet grill. I apologize, I don't know why I always say pellet smoker, but this is a pellet grill. So take a dripping pan. I used this additional stack here for putting the pork belly inside the grill, and we have preheated the grill on 110 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 200 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So this one is pretty low and slow here, and we're gonna take the instant thermometer to put it inside the pork belly, and now we are able to control this one via Wi-Fi. This is pretty interesting. We're gonna set the food temperature on aimed 95 degrees Celsius, which is 200 degrees Fahrenheit, I guess. Then we should be able to pull this one. So these are my wood pellets for today. This is 100% mesquite pellets, and these have really nice flavor. So we're gonna put this one completely into the box, and this should be enough for smoking this bad boy. This is approximately after 4 hours or so. We're gonna add some water into the dripping pan so the pork belly won't dry out, and then we're gonna throw in some veggies here, because today we're gonna serve the pulled pork belly together with a smoked coleslaw. That's the idea. So this is a white cabbage and this is leek, completely not pre-cooked, and we're gonna let that grill on the GMG until the pork belly has the internal temperature. So this is approximately about, I guess, 6 hours or so. So after the pork belly has the internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, we're gonna wrap it in butcher paper. This speeds the cooking process up a little bit. We are still able to throw this at the same temperature on our grill, and we are able to put in the thermometer as well. And then what does this makes? It speeds a little bit up. It's like a Texas crouch a little bit, but it helps to stay the pork belly juicy. So in the meantime, we're gonna wait for the last degrees this one takes. We're gonna make a little bit of a sauce for our coleslaw. So this is 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some fresh lemon juice, some white wine vinegar, some diced onions, and some of my herb mixtures. So this is Terrano sea salt, the mixture of dried oregano, dried olives, dried tomato and salt. You might have seen that in my videos before. So now we're gonna take out the white cabbage. We're gonna throw away about 2 layers of that cabbage here, and it really has a nice smoke flavor now. It's not too dark, it's really soft, and if you ask me, this is the coolest flavor on white cabbage that you can have. So we're gonna slice it, and then we're gonna dice it a little bit, and then we're gonna add this to the mayonnaise sauce we made in the meantime. Same with the leek. As you can see here, it's pretty soft, and for me, veggies that are cooked in their own shelf on the grill have the best veggie flavor. So don't make it too complicated. Now add the sauce, give it a mix, and then we see how we did with the pork belly. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. As always, you can check it out there. You can check out the rub from my friend Beda. And of course, I will put a link to the grill if you're interested in checking this one out. It's really, really easy. It's really, really cool. So I had a lot of things to do this whole Saturday and no hurry with this grill. We just started at 7 in the morning and were ready approximately 12 hours later. So now take your pulled pork claws, and once you're through that crust, it offers a really juicy pulled pork belly meat. Really nice flavor, really nice meat, really, really cool. So we're gonna give this a shot right now. I will give it a try, and I tell you, this is really cool. If you have never tried pulled pork belly before, you should definitely give this a shot. So now you can take away the fat cap. It's not needed anymore. Some people tell me that you can do like crispy things out of that. I did nothing with that. I only took it away and pulled the rest. So I guess this should be enough for building one burger for your camera and to show you how I like it in combination with the smoked coleslaw. So we're gonna take a bun. This is a pre-toasted bun, some brioche, and then we're gonna add some of that meat, some of that barbecue sauce. Now the smoked cabbage, and I like adding a French onion here and some diced pickles. And today I will not show you how I eat this. Please hit that like button anyway and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. I'm going to show you more of that grill in the upcoming future and some more interesting recipes coming up. So instead of eating that, I will show you how to shut down the grill. Yeah, I would like to thank you for watching. I'm out, see you. Last step is putting down the grill back to 65 degrees and then put in the fan mode. The fan mode lets finish the grill and the last amount of pellets, and then you can switch it off. Thanks, I'm out, see you.